Pele Green Energy is an independent power producer that develops, owns and operates renewable energy power plants in South Africa and the rest of the continent. And Knowledge Pele works closely with PGE, using the anchor asset of the power plant to develop and reindustrialize local communities or where our power plants are located.
It was started by 5 individuals, brought together by the need for structural change in South Africa.
It was very important for us to always ensure that we can make sure that the light that has been shone on our path, we reflect that for those who are coming behind us. And so Pele, as a youth regeneration company, was actually born.
I mean, it was that story. It was the garage story of 5 South Africans thought they could do something audacious and then actually did.
Our purpose is really to create thriving energy communities. We believe in structural transformation in South African communities, and Knowledge Pele is essentially the vehicle through which we achieve that. So developing capable people who have the skills to participate in the economy, first of all, and then also to create industry within these communities. Touwsrivier is Pele's flagship community.
TPV1 plant, we have 1,500 tracking units here, and they all accumulate to a 36 megawatt plant that then ties up to the grid and supplied to Eskom, whereby Eskom then distributes as they see fit. We are 33 employees, that's part of the O&M team. 25 is from the local community, Touwsrivier. The biggest part of the team come from construction, so a lot of in-house training was done with the guys, and they were given the opportunity to form part of the O&M team.
I started working here on site 2018. I check all the screens, the monitors. I start doing the calibration of the trackers, and then I give the tracker faults, I give the technicians, they must go out and do fault finding, and they will come back to me and tell me, okay, they need to change something, code or motor or something.
We simultaneously started the industrialization of Touwsrivier commercial hydroponics farm.
My name is Boy Okis. Farming is in my DNA since I was a small boy. I started here as a general worker in October 2021, and I was promoted to farm supervisor 2022. Due to this project, I earn a proper salary now, and I can provide for my family.
It's owned half by the community trust and ourselves, where we worked with the different community members to be able to develop a hydroponic farm that now has expanded to 8 tunnels and has diversified from just the lettuce to basil and other high-end crops.
I see a bright future here for us at TSTF because I believe hydroponics is the future of farming. Your water consumption is 90% less than normal, and you don't need large amount of land, and you have control over the environment of your crop, so we can grow during the whole year. Our purpose is to create more jobs, to add value to people's life in that way.
Illuminating the way forward to me means that you do everything that you can today to ensure that others can walk a better path.
Katlong Engineering School is situated in Katlong Township in Ekurhuleni. In a community like this, where unemployment is very high, it's very important to have a school that offers especially skill programs where we can skill learners to be employable after grade 12. We specialize in all the different technical subjects, which we offer from grade 8 until grade 12. As a school, we also specialize in multi-certification programs, where we offer drone technology, and we specialize in all the different agricultural subjects. And then, in addition, learners also leave with a K53 or Code C1 heavy motor vehicle driver's license. So all of them spend quite a lot of time in the workshops for practical. And that's why constant power supply is so important for us. It was a big challenge because in the township we still experience load reduction. And that creates problems for us because the whole system basically comes to a standstill.
We had the privilege of being assigned by FNB to being able to provide a solar solution for them. specifically because we had built the skill set in the energy communities in Limpopo and in Touwsrivier to being able to safely implement off-grid solutions or solutions for that are alternative energy for schools. We work closely with the community to have them involved in the development of the solar solution. We've worked on ensuring that the stakeholders and the process of the development thereof is done correctly.
We were brought in by Knowledge Pele to assist with the installation of a solar solution. So our involvement was, number one, do the design, come and do the installation, like project execution, and then after that, do an operation and maintenance. During that process, we had to ensure that we get local people that would be helping us with the execution. We had to get them certificates for working at height, and their whole training came in during the actual installation. So once we are done with that operation and maintenance, they will have the skill, to maintain this project, but over and above that, to actually approach other local businesses that have solar to clean your panels, and they can start a business for themselves.
Well, I'm happy to see that as a school, we make a difference in the lives of the community to address youth unemployment, and that is those partnerships that assist us to make the school a success.
We ran probably one of the largest graduate recruitment programs in the renewable energy sector in South Africa. And what's unique and nuanced about the opportunity that we provide or present to young people, it's literally what you get from joining a startup. Every single thing you do matters.
Being at Pele has really helped me grow as an individual. To see the projects they do in communities that they've worked in, I feel like that really inspires me to see a company that really cares about people.
At the moment, we're at the Forums of Freedom Center in Touwsrivier. This is a CPV1 and Knowledge Pele Center for the community, and a lot of our programs are implemented here. And so what that looks like is we facilitate renewable energy training. It's a NQF3 learnership program, and the idea around the program is really to impart specific renewable energy skills.
For a small community like Touwsrivier, there's not a lot of opportunities, and Knowledge Pele, they give development programs.
The technicians, essentially, that come out of the program would be able to be employed on any renewable energy projects within the country.
We've been able to develop entrepreneurs, allowing them to have tools in order for the business to flourish.
Amascopi started as a funding program towards starting a sewing school within Touwsrivier to teach children and adults to sew. I got onto Knowledge Pele and I became part of the program.
So we have a variety of businesses that we support, from people who make clothes to catering businesses, and we take them through that assists them in developing the basics, and we help them essentially grow within this community.
I cater for companies when they have meeting. On weekends, we do the events, and then individuals, they come in order through social media platforms. When they advertise about the Starter Pack program, then I applied for the program. They make sure you understand how to become a good entrepreneur.
We had classes once a month for 2-3 days, which assisted us in various areas of managing a business, from marketing to doing research on who your clients would be. And at the end, we actually had to write a business plan. I have been privileged to be part of the PRO program and have been able to assist the creche and help them with needs they had as a new creche. The value that Knowledge Pele is adding to TOS is great.
With them, I'm going to take my business to a very next level.
What I love about working at Pele is in the types of communities that we operate in. They are situated far from main centers, and because of their geography, often feel that they're forgotten. We're essentially illuminating our ways into these communities and ensuring that there is a sustainable future for them as well, and that renewable energy can bring about this sustainable future from these projects.
The overriding feeling is that of pure amazement of how 5 young kids with an audacious dream and an audacious goal can somehow be realized is, I can't give any other feeling but gratitude.
We couldn't do it without the people that are here and who are committed and make big sacrifices to join our crazy mission and actually see it through to the end. So 15 years later, we're over 100 and odd people. We are on track and doing very well to achieve our 5 gigawatts of power by 2027, 2028.
Pele Energy Group now, it's an entity that has given a platform to young people with amazing skills. So it is the people here who continue to show that we can continue to dream, continue to aim for higher things.
For me, the biggest impact that we feel is the growth of the people who contribute and grow through this industry.
We exist to fuel future economies, and we implement research-led development, and as a result of those three, we illuminate the way forward.
If we give the nurturing to our youthful population, there will be amazing things that can be achieved in this country.